When somebody says something, we can agree or disagree with him or her. In this lesson, we are going to look at several ways. We can agree with a person. How do we agree on a positive statement? We use the words to, also, and as well. Let's see how to use them. Mike says, I want to work on Wall Street. And Jack agrees. He can answer like this. I also want to work on Wall Street. Or I want to work on Wall Street too. Or I want to work on Wall Street as well. To, also, and as well have identical meanings. We put to and as well at the end of the sentence. And we use also before a verb. I also want to work on Wall Street. I want to work on Wall Street too. I want to work on Wall Street as well. We can go even further and make a short sentence by changing the predicate into an auxiliary verb. I want to work on Wall Street too. Or I do too. But we can only use the short form if we already know the context. Keep that in mind. One more example. I hate flying, says Peter. Larry agrees. He can says, I hate flying as well. Or I also hate flying. Or I hate flying too. But he can also make a short response. I do too. He used auxiliary do instead of hate flying, instead of a predicate. I do too. I hate flying too. That is one way to agree with what someone says. However, there is another, more sophisticated way to agree with a short response. Just put so, plus auxiliary, plus subject. For example, I bought a new car, says Mark. If Bob also bought a car, he can respond like this. So did I. Meaning, I also bought a car. I will move to New York one day, says Margaret. Alice thinks she will go to New York too. So, she says, so will I. John got really drunk at the party. So did Kevin. Meaning that Kevin got really drunk at the party too. I can speak English like a pro, says Joseph. So can I, answers Miguel. I'm getting older, says Olivia. Yeah, so am I. So is everybody. Meaning, I am also getting older and everybody is getting older. Okay, now you try. Agree with these statements using so at the beginning. I need to eat something right now, says starving Joe. Alice agrees. She says, yes, she says. So do I. I can drink 4 bottles of beer in 1 minute, says Charlie. Paul thinks he can drink 4 bottles of beer in 1 minute too. He says, of course, he says, so can I. Very good. Now let's talk about negative agreement. That is when we agree with a negative statement. There are 3 ways we can do it. For example, Tom says to the waiter, I don't like mustard. The waiter wants to say that he also doesn't like mustard. So he can say the follow, neither do I, or nor do I, or I don't either. Okay, let's see what we have got. Neither, plus auxiliary verb, plus subject, neither do I, nor, plus auxiliary verb, plus subject, nor do I, or the negative short response, plus either, I don't either. That's how we make a negative agreement. Sarah didn't go to college. Very bad for her. Paul didn't either. Or neither did Paul. Or nor did Paul. Dean shouldn't drink this water. And neither should Alex. Or Dean shouldn't drink this water. And nor should Alex. Or Dean shouldn't drink this water. And Alex shouldn't either. Okay, now you try. Give me 3 short negative agreements to each sentence. I don't like what's going on here. Yes, I don't either. Or neither do I. Or nor do I. Very good. One more. I won't have a vacation this year. Neither will I. Or nor will I. I won't either. Very well. I hope it was useful for you. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.